In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recipient on Wise. We'll be going through the process from the Wise homepage all the way to saving the recipient's details so you can use them for future transfers. This is a straightforward setup, but it's important to enter everything carefully to avoid issues later when sending money. To begin, go to the Wise homepage and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look for the recipient section. This is where Wise stores the people or accounts you may want to send money to. Click on recipients to open that area. From there, you'll start creating a new recipient. The next thing to select is the currency. In this example, choose PHP. This tells Wise that the recipient will receive funds in Philippine pesos, and it helps the platform show you the correct payout options and account requirements for that destination. After selecting the currency, click on e-wallet as the transfer method. Wise offers different receiving methods depending on the country and currency, so choosing the correct one is important. In this case, e-wallet means the money will be sent to a supported digital wallet rather than a traditional bank account. Next, choose someone else. This option is used when you're adding a recipient who is not you. It helps Wise categorize the recipient correctly and present the right form fields for the transfer setup. Now, you'll arrive at the section where you need to enter the recipient's account details. Take your time here and make sure every detail is accurate. Even a small mistake in the recipient information can cause delays or failed transfers. If possible, copy the details directly from a trusted source rather than typing them from memory. Also, double-check spelling, account identifiers, and any required wallet information before moving on. Once all the details are filled in, click Continue. This saves the information and moves you to the next stage in Wise, where the platform may confirm or use those recipient details for a transfer. And that's it. You've successfully added a recipient on Wise. As a helpful tip, before sending money, it's always a good idea to review the recipient profile one more time to make sure everything matches exactly. That extra check can save time and help prevent payment problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.